Now I'll show you how to make a ribbon bookmark that will match our pen and our book cover. Choose a ribbon that coordinates nicely with the one that we used for our book and our pen, and it should be a little bit wider than our original ribbon. Now decide how big you want to make your bookmark, and then just cut it about 1/4 inch larger on both sides. Okay, and then the same for our other ribbon. Okay, we want to put the two insides together like this. Get some pins. And on the bottom, we're going to fold in the bottom of both ribbons and put them together as centered as you can, and put a little pin in there to hold it. Now you can sew this by hand or sew it by machine. I'm going to sew by machine.